told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you guys some tips and information about traveling international now that the pandemic is lifted and everyone is out there traveling the world again, and some people are trying to obtain their passport, which is taking so long. Have you guys seen those dates? It's like 13 weeks for a regular processing time, right? So yeah, plan ahead. If you want to travel at the end of this year, I recommend you get your passport right now, okay? I just want to let you guys know, I know a lot of traveler that has been traveling knows this, but a lot might not, okay? So if you are traveling internationally and you don't have your seat assigned, a lot of the international flight are just not 24 hours in advance for you to check in. They actually open like 48 hours. So within 2 days you could already go and pick your seats and stuff like that, okay? So just so you guys know and are aware, you could check in 48 hours ahead. Not all the international flights are like that, but the ones that don't have you like pick a seat already, then you are able to do that majority of them. So do check with the website because it could differ and varies from airline to airline, okay? So I want to stress that everyone should have a change of clothes with them, either in their backpack or in their carry-on, okay? Don't check it in, because I know that when traveling you don't want to carry a lot of things. You just want to check everything in and go to the destination and then you'll use your stuff. But also carry a little pack of toiletry, because you will be needing it in case of any emergency or any like plane cancellations and you are put at a hotel or somewhere and you don't have a change of clothes, okay? So if you have that, you will be able to freshen up, shower, change, and then once you go and meet up with your baggage again, then at least you weren't wearing the same clothes for like a day or two, and you were able to like take care of your hygiene stuff, you know? I hope there's not too much cancellation though, but there are. So here and there are cancellations. So you just want to be safe for yourself, okay? So your trip don't start out on the bad foot. And this is not new, but always bring a pen when you go traveling internationally, because you will need it to fill out your custom form and stuff. So you don't want to be like in the plane and just waiting for your neighbors to see if anyone will share their pen with you, or you don't want to be asking. Sometimes people, they don't even want to share their pen with you because they're like, oh, you know what, like I rather not, you know, the pandemic just passed. It's COVID is still around, but then just because it's left, I'm not sharing my pen. And you have to wait till you get to the terminal and then you will use a pen there, which takes a long time. And you could speed up that process by filling it out on the plane and just going right through immigration, custom, everything, and then get yourself home or to wherever you're going, okay? Now a lot of places that you are going to, you need to have accommodation ready, okay? Accommodation ready is you have to know your hotel or wherever you're staying. If you're staying at your cousin's, you should have your cousins or relatives address so you could put it in. If you're staying at multiple places throughout your visit, just put in the first address where you're going first on there. This is, like I said, nothing new, but just information for those who are now traveling the world, those that don't know, okay? So these are just some tips that I have for my new upcoming travelers, okay? And for my people that always been traveling abroad, this is also something new. Not all airline does this, but a lot of airline does this now, okay? So you know how a lot of things that you get for free on the planes are no longer free, okay? Not all airlines, like I said, you have to check the website to be sure which ones though gives you these things for free and which one charges, okay? So like some airline used to just give you like earbuds for free. Now you have to pay. Some people used to give you drinks for free. Now you have to pay. And like hot meals, you might even have to pay for that. So make sure you double check, okay? I'm talking about for international flights, okay? So do check in case you take something and then they go, oh, are you paying with cash or card? And you're like, oh, you know, like, I don't want to know more, and they really can't take it back when they gave it to you already. Okay, you guys, this is all I have for you today. I know that a lot of these things aren't new for a lot of travelers like you guys, but this is for my traveler, my new upcoming travelers. Okay, I have a lot of friends that are now traveling and they have been asking me, so this is for them and for you guys who are looking to explore this beautiful world. Have fun traveling, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.